Lazy Makoti here, and today I'm excited to be sharing with you another easy, delicious recipe. Today we are making a 3-ingredient mango ice cream. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you guys. As you know, nothing says summer quite like the sweet taste of mangoes. And in South Africa, we're actually quite spoiled for choice. This is because mangoes are available from the end of November till sometime in April. Today we're using the Tommy Atkins. As you can see, it's always an orange to red color, always medium to large in size, and it's generally fiberless. I'm gonna cut into it so you can see. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, let's get straight into it. And there you have it, another easy summer recipe made with mangoes. Enjoy!